Modern capitalist economic system as a solution to the U.S. economic challenges in 2024. In 2024, the United States faces a variety of economic challenges, including persistent inflation, supply chain disruptions, and a shifting labor market. The modern capitalist system, particularly through free market mechanisms, can provide solutions by correcting inefficiencies, promoting innovation, and ultimately fostering long-term growth. Let's break down how these mechanisms can address current issues. 1. Inflation control through price mechanisms. Inflation in the U.S. has been elevated in recent years due to supply chain bottlenecks, labor market tightness, and strong consumer demand. In a free market system, prices act as signals to balance supply and demand. When demand exceeds supply, prices rise. This increase encourages producers to ramp up output while simultaneously curbing excess consumer demand, naturally cooling inflation. For example, recent disruptions in supply chains have pushed up costs for goods like semiconductors, which have contributed to inflation. However, as prices rise, companies are incentivized to invest in additional production capacity, which eventually alleviates supply constraints and stabilizes prices. Cleveland Fed, 2023. 2. Supply chain resilience through market adaptation. Global supply chains remain vulnerable in 2024, with disruptions in logistics and production continuing to strain goods availability. The free market addresses these inefficiencies through competition and innovation. Firms are increasingly diversifying their supplier bases, investing in local manufacturing, and adopting technologies like automation to reduce reliance on fragile supply lines. For example, flexibility in transportation logistics, such as the increased reliance on air cargo due to maritime delays, showcases how markets adapt quickly to changing conditions. KPMG 2024. Furthermore, geopolitical tensions and trade policy shifts have led firms to preemptively stockpile goods and seek alternative suppliers. These adjustments not only reduce dependency on specific global trade routes but also drive technological and operational improvements that enhance overall efficiency. Deloitte 2024. 3. Labor market adjustments. The labor market has been affected by the Great Resignation and rising wages, particularly in lower-wage sectors. However, free market capitalism naturally adjusts to these shifts. Rising wages incentivize businesses to adopt automation and artificial intelligence technologies, improving productivity and reducing labor dependency over time. Additionally, higher wages attract more workers back into the labor market, reducing shortages in critical sectors like healthcare and construction. Deloitte 2024. Moreover, the free market encourages a reallocation of labor toward industries with higher demand, helping smooth out sectoral imbalances. This dynamic adjustment is vital for ensuring that labor is efficiently utilized across the economy. 4. Technological innovation and resource allocation. In a capitalist system, private investment flows toward sectors with the highest potential returns. This mechanism has been particularly evident in industries such as renewable energy and biotechnology, where significant private capital has driven innovation. The free market's competitive nature promotes creative destruction, where inefficient firms exit, and more innovative companies take their place, ensuring long-term productivity gains. KPMG 2024. For example, the adoption of new technologies such as AI and advanced manufacturing is expected to lead to higher productivity across industries, generating a net benefit to economic growth in the U.S. by improving efficiencies and reducing costs. Deloitte 2024. Conclusion. The modern capitalist economic system, driven by the free market, is well equipped to address the United States' economic problems in 2024. Through price signals, competition, and innovation, the market can correct inefficiencies, balance supply and demand, and drive long-term growth. By allowing businesses and consumers to respond to changing economic conditions, capitalism fosters a dynamic economy capable of adapting to shocks, reducing inflation, improving supply chains, and optimizing the use of labor and capital.